Hello students, good evening. Can you see the screen? If you are able to see the screen, syllabus copy. Anyone please confirm?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So we have completed unit number 1, 2, which is related to architecture and landscaping from the architecture. So unit number 1 and 2 are, we can say, more related to architectural background. Then now unit number 3, 4, 5, 6 are core parts of our town planning subject. So already we have introduced unit number 3 and 4 also, and even 5 also, but we will see in detail one by one. So for unit number 3, I will engage today's and tomorrow's lecture. We will complete unit number 3, and then we will move towards unit number 4, towards the preparation of development plan for a city. Unit your mid-sem examination is on, I think, 26th or 25th. So unit number 1, 2, 3 is there for your mid-sem examination, and for that reason, this syllabus is clear, we can say. So unit number 3 will also be completed by tomorrow, and you will be able to appear for the examination based on unit number 1, 2, 3. Also, we have covered some part from the unit number 4, 5, and 6 also, but we will see in detail the remaining parts in the further lectures as well as practicals from our syllabus. So, with respect to content from the unit number 3, goals and objectives of the planning, components of planning, benefits of planning. So, with in general, if you are planning it properly, anything, you will get success for which you are planning, or your objectives of your planning will get fulfilled. Similarly, if you are planning for towns or country for development, then the desired aspects of that particular plan will be achieved. So, with respect to levels of planning, we can say regional plan for, we can say, Pasgani Mahabaleshwar, or any district, Solapur regional plan, Pune district regional plan. Similarly, development plan for city. These are the hierarchical orders. If we consider nation, or before that international planning, national planning, state level planning, then district level planning, that is regional planning, and then again at city level development plan, and in that you can see town planning schemes. So we will see, we have introduced regional plan, development plan. We will see uh, town planning scheme, neighborhood planning concept, and new towns. And after that, we will see legislative mechanism for preparation of development plan (DP) through MRTP Act 1966. So MRTP Act 1966 is the base for our planning process in Maharashtra. So you can see the act copy in PDF form. So this is Maharashtra Regional and Town Planning Act. Shortly we call it as MRTP. MRTP Act 1966. So you will see some chapters are there 1 to 7. Chapter number 1 preliminary, chapter number 2 provisions related to regional plans. So how the regions are prepared, how the committee is prepared, and how the regional plan is prepared. So accordingly, you can see constitution of regional planning boards, regional plans, so survey to be carried out, plans to be prepared, proposals to be prepared. So if we are working for that particular region, we need to analyze overall growth trend or we can say strengths of that particular region. If that particular area is famous for tourism activities, suppose it is a part of Western Ghats, then we need to consider eco-sensitivity of that area, as well as we need to plan for tourism development also. You can see before 20 years, there were no much facility to see the waterfalls of Thosegar. But now with the help of forest department, government or the district planning boards under DPC, District Planning Committee, and regional plans, the Satara District Authority under collector and all the district planning committee has developed that region to attract more tourists and to have ecotourism. We can say that will boost the economy. Many people will get the employment opportunities like this. We'll see that particular regional plan also. Mahabaleshwar Pasgani. So these are the details. Of Mahabaleshwar Pasgani regional plan regarding sanctioning of that particular plan. I'm just going through this government GR so as to get exposure about the administrative processes and the documentation they have prepared in relation with this MRTP Act. You will see that there is mention of this MRTP Act also. This is in Marathi as well as in English. याद्वारे नोटीस देण्यात येत आहे की महाराष्ट्र शासनाने नगर विकास विभागाची अधिसूचना क्रमांक TPS टाउन प्लॅनिंग स्कीम महाबळेश्वर डिटेल्स दिलेले आहेत 8/2015 द्वारे महाराष्ट्र प्रादेशिक व नगर रचना अधिनियम 1966 म्हणजेच MRTP ऍक्ट महाराष्ट्र अधिनियम 1966चा 37वा पॉइंट म्हणजेच या ऍक्ट मधील 37वा जो पॉइंट आहे मायनर मॉडिफिकेशन इन द डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन अशा प्रकारे हे सगळं बघा तुम्ही म्हणजे हा जो MRTP ऍक्ट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये क्लॉजेस मेन्शन केलेले आहे सो देर आर क्लॉज वाईज प्रिपरेशन सो दिस इज 37 इज अंडर preparation of development plan. So they have proposed some modifications in the development plan of Mahabaleshwar. So that is the case. कलम 15च्या तरतुदीनुसार प्रदेशातील जमिनींचा सोलापूर प्रदेश ओके इन जनरल दे मस्ट हॅव कन्सिडर्ड ओव्हरऑल रिजन जमिनींचा नियोजन सोलापूर म्हणण्यापेक्षा सातारा असू शकतं जमिनीचा नियोजनबद्ध आपण खाली बघूयात काय दिलेलं आहे balanced development of Mahabaleshwar Pasgani region. So Solapur is, we can say, mistake. So नियोजनबद्ध प्लॅन अँड बॅलन्स डेव्हलपमेंट होण्याच्या दृष्टीने महाबळेश्वर पाचगणी प्रादेशिक योजना मंजूर केली आहे. शासनाने मंजूर केल्याप्रमाणे अंतिम प्रादेशिक योजना महाबळेश्वर पाचगणीची प्रत लोकांना पाहण्यासाठी खालील कार्यालयामध्ये कामकाजाच्या दिवशी कार्यालयीन वेळेत उपलब्ध राहील. सहाय्यक संचालक नगर रचना सातारा, जिल्हाधिकारी सातारा, मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी जिल्हा परिषद सातारा, उपविभागीय अधिकारी महसूल सातारा. मंजूर प्रादेशिक योजनेची प्रमाणित प्रत किंवा संदर्भ मंजूर प्रादेशिक योजनेच्या प्रतीतील कोणत्याही भागाची प्रमाणित प्रत सहाय्यक संचालक एडीटीपी दॅट इज ॲडिशनल डायरेक्टर ऑफ टाउन प्लॅनिंग नगर रचना सातारा यांच्या कार्यालयात लोकांना योग्य त्या किमतीमध्ये विक्रीसाठी उपलब्ध राहील. वरीलप्रमाणे मंजूर केलेली महाबळेश्वर पाचगणी प्रादेशिक योजना ही सदर अधिसूचना महाराष्ट्र शासन राजपत्रामध्ये प्रसिद्धीच्या दिनांकापासून 3 महिन्याच्या कालावधीनंतर अंमलात येईल व या योजनेला अंतिम महाबळेश्वर पाचगणी प्रादेशिक योजना म्हणता येईल. हे मराठीतून मी मुद्दाम वाचून दाखवलं तुम्हाला बिकॉज गव्हर्नमेंट ॲज अ स्टेट लँग्वेज द डॉक्युमेंटेशन इज मराठी ऑल्सो. सिमिलर you can read it in English also from this page. So you will see details of this amendment. You will see chapter number 5, tourism, because tourism is important. Tourist facilities, residence, urban services, demography. So you can see the chapter of that particular report. The following are the listing of modifications, additions, deletions made in the Mahabaleshwar Pasgani Regional Plan report. So chapter 3 is ELU, existing land use map. Chapter 4, forestry and environment. So you can see the Mahabaleshwar Pasgani area is eco-sensitive and there is more percentage of forest area. So we need to consider that also. Then tourism, then urban services, wastewater and sewage disposal. Then demography, that is population. Tourism, tourist projection, carrying capacity. So if that particular area is famous for tourists, then we need to focus on tourism development. So you can see that is mentioned here, tourist projection. किती tourist येऊ शकतात and how many people tourists can be accommodated. So accordingly, we considering the tourist, we need to have analysis properly with respect to average daily number of tourists in the tourist season, population density. Then conclusion. However, these figures and the strategy of tourism development will require to be reworked after the approval of tourism master plan by the Ministry of Environment and Forest. So environment and forest proposal and recommendations. They have proposed some changes in the forest area. So they need to take permission. Conservation zones, wood as fuel, solid waste management. So we need to plan for solid waste disposal in that particular area. They have modified it, some clauses, so they have override or some points are crossed, that is deleted, and some new additional points are mentioned. Here you can see there will be strict implementation of the ban on use of polybags of size less than, earlier it was 20 microns, now it is 50 microns. The use of cloth bags and such suitable alternatives by local inhabitants and tourists shall be encouraged. The complete ban of such use of plastic bags will be considered in 5 years' time. So we need to consider traffic management, noise pollution, tourism. Then waterfalls, origins of the waterfalls. The details of certain waterfalls are identified. The known waterfalls of MPESZ. Regions have been identified and listed below. These shall form a part of conservation zone. So you can see these are the some of the important waterfalls in the Mahabaleshwar Pasgani area. Bhilar on Kudali River, Lingamala on Venna River, waterfall near Helens Point on Solshi River, waterfall of Tapola Road near Jolachi Khind, Chinman's waterfall below Malcolm Pet, Pratapgarh View waterfall of uh, Fitzgerald, sorry, काय नाव आहे हे? Fitzgerald Ghat. Then Dobis waterfall into Koina River on the Koina River. Waterfalls near Hunters Point into Koina River. Waterfalls around Savitri Point into Savitri River. Waterfalls from Brahmanarayana into Krishna River. Waterfall from the ancient Krishna temple at Kshetra Mahabaleshwar. Waterfall at Needle Hole Point into Krishna River. So, if we visit Mahabaleshwar Pasgani, or we have already planned to visit along with your batch to see overall tourism planning of Mahabaleshwar Pasgani, but let us see how we can plan it or when it will be possible for us. Maybe in this year, if college starts, then we will plan it with the help of Town Planning Department, Satara, and local municipal council of Pasgani, Mahabaleshwar. So I'm just listed some of the important waterfalls because all this is part of our study. While developing particular area, we need to analyze the strength of that particular area, the importance of financial activities in that area, and accordingly we need to plan all these activity properly. So if that particular area is famous for tourists, we need to consider tourist in our planning. We cannot propose MIDC in Mahabaleshwar. How will it look like if the MIDC or major industrial companies are proposed in the Mahabaleshwar at different points? Just imagine. So the balance or the overall good analysis is must in that particular case, and we should promote particular activity in that particular area considering its influence. If in Solapur district there is good agriculture of sugarcane, you can propose some food processing industries like sugar mills or sugar factories, so that that sugarcane will be processed. Similarly, uh, if the grapes production is more in a particular area, then you can have some industries which will be which will be processing the grapes into some other forms of grapes. Some maybe some wines are prepared in like on the line of Nashik or many foreign countries also, किंवा आपण त्याला मनुके म्हणतो इंग्लिशमध्ये काय म्हणतात बघा, ते त्या पद्धतीने आपण तयार करू शकतो. अशा प्रकारे ॲग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज यू कॅन सी. Agro based cottage industries based on local products may only be permitted in this region. It will include production of jams, squashes and other such products from the fruits and berries. त्याच्यामुळे तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल की तुम्ही माला किंवा एक 3-4 प्रकारचे मोठमोठे शॉप्स आहेत तिथे बघा, पाचगणीच्या पुढे गेल्यानंतर, जिथे तुम्हाला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे ज्यूस वगैरे पॅकिंग केलेलं मिळतं आणि तेच आपल्याला इकडे इकडे सुद्धा मिळतं. म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी प्रोडक्शन तिथे नसताना सुद्धा this activity is promoted, and due to these legislations that particular industry has flourished. You can see there are so many shops or the industries are there which will bring or which will process the raw material from the surrounding area, and these products are made available to the tourist. If we just see agro industries in Mahabaleshwar, we'll get all these details. Strawberry is also famous. Mapro Garden, yes, you must have heard about the Mapro.
Welcome to our channel Travel Journey. In this video, we will be taking you across the Mapro factory in White. This place is on the way towards Panchgani. So let's go. And yeah, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So here we are. We are at the entry point where you have to first register your details to get inside. There is ample amount of parking space. Friends, don't get confused. This is Mapro factory with Mapro Garden. There is another place called Mapro Gardens which is there in Mahabaleshwar. In Mapro Gardens, they sell the Mapro products and have a garden. But here in factory, we will take you through the tour of different manufacturing units, and of course, there is a sales counter here also. Here, there is a big flagpole hoisting our Indian flag inside. We are going towards the Khakra factory. Here you can see the Khakra getting prepared. The process is done by machine and it's operated by 2 people. Now, next we move on to the veggie store, where you can purchase the fresh and organic vegetables. Straw or in outside some snacks, sauces, and as Mahabaleshwar is famous for strawberries, so you can buy authentic strawberry related items here. All in all,
वैसे कैसा लड़का चाहिए था आपको रानी जी?
इसका सेंस ऑफ
Okay, so
It's a best place to hang out and spend 2-3 hours of your time. There are in between tasting counters. Here we can see how the cacao is
macro.
processed and made.
स्ट्रॉबेरी एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल और बहुत ही फ्लेवर्ड एक फ्रूट होता है और आई थिंक हम सभी को ये फ्रूट बहुत पसंद होता है लेकिन अच्छी मीठी स्ट्रॉबेरीज खाऊं तो इसके लिए अपने एरियाज हैं और जहाँ ये अपने स्ट्रॉबेरीज लगाते हैं जहाँ स्ट्रॉबेरीज होती हैं तो अंदर तो क्रशेज सारे मैप्रो के क्रशेज देखते चलिए नीचे जैम्स और ये सब कीवी फ्लेवर में और ये जो ब्लू कलर का है करके देख सकते हैं तो इन्होंने टेस्ट करने के लिए मार्केट से पीते हैं और ये हम टेस्ट करने में मोहितो जो एलमंड बाइट्स हैं इनको आप टेस्ट भी करके देख सकते हैं अगर आपको अच्छी लगे और यहाँ इन्होंने
You must have seen all the chocolates in medical or shops. We generally use these strawberry small candies.
जरूर अपने साथ लेके जाऊंगी वाटरमेलन यहाँ हमारी टेबल पे जितने भी गार्डन आ रहे हैं तो इसे खाना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए
So I just showed you the some glimpses of that particular area because this all is included in the planning process. So we need to plan some industries in that particular area considering the importance. So you will see people are coming uh, in different seasons, and shopping is one of the important aspect during the tourism. So such industries are set up in that particular area, but all these are the soft industries, not like pollution or which are important for the tourism. So see, qualitative improvement to the tourist attractions, what can be done? No further roads should be constructed to points of scenic beauty in the region so as to preserve them in the natural state. This excludes strengthening of existing roads and footpaths. So this is the analysis from time to time. Parking, tourism within the hill stations, traffic and transportation problems. The traffic management plan prepared for both the towns shall be reviewed by the high level monitoring committee and revised after every 5 years. Proposed land use plan. So after analysis, we can have some proposals in that area. See this comment, no further conversion of land in agricultural zone to any other zone or other NA use will be permitted without approval of Ministry of Environment and Forest. So I will post all these details on our Google Classroom as well as email. You can go through the small and small modifications, and you will come to know that how much efforts we need to take while planning a particular area. Without proper planning, you will not get your issues resolved. So you can see the plan of Mahabaleshwar Hill Station, Town Planning and Valuation Department. This is very good department to work because there is big authority of sanctioning different building permissions and land use changes also. Town Planning and Valuation Department, Satara branch. Draft development plan of Mahabaleshwar Hill Station Municipal Council. So you can see the color code, recreational, no development zone, transport, public utility zone. So you can see the land use planning of Mahabaleshwar. These are the government offices, stamp registration department, meteorological department, central excise department, police station, schools. The yellow is residential area. Government staff quarters, primary school, and other remaining green area is nothing but forest. This is development plan, so you will see urban area, but still that includes some part of forest also. But or we can say in urban areas, the parks are considered. But in case of, I will show one outer area. In that you will see that most of the part is under forest cover, and in that you will see how we need to plan accordingly for the development of these points. You will see some of the important tourist places are here, like Chinman's waterfall. So we need to provide road facility. Similarly, at other places also you will see some other important tourist places also. There are many hotels for the tourists in this area. So this is road to Dhobi waterfall. Beautification of Lodvik Point. So if you have visited Mahabaleshwar, you must be knowing Lodvik or Elephant Head Point. I think this is near to Dhom Balkodi Dam, near to Dhom Balkodi, towards Mahad. This is Bombay Point. So this is part of planning process under town planning department. So this is we can say interesting process, and what we see during our visit is nothing but planning of someone for the development of tourist potential. म्हणजे असंच मनाने तयार झालेलं नसतं. Someone has taken efforts to have convenience for the tourists in that particular area. So this is second part. You will see some more remaining points in this map. Kshetra Mahabaleshwar, that is old Mahabaleshwar. Here you will see origin of 5 rivers: Koina, Krishna, Vasishti, Savitri, and one more is there. So there is a lot to study under each topic, but considering limited time, levels of planning. So this is about regional plan, similarly development plan for the urban areas, and under town planning scheme we will see in detail presentation on town planning scheme. Then again neighborhood planning and new towns, when we prepare or go for new towns like Navi Mumbai. Now the planning for gift city in Gujarat is in process, Gandhinagar, Chandigarh, and then legislative mechanism for preparation of development plan. That is nothing but process. So with the help of MRTP Act, we can study the various chapters in the MRTP Act, and under that, here you will see chapter number 3, preparation of development plan. So in this chapter number 3, clause wise, it is explained how the development plan for a city is prepared. So declaration and intention of preparation of development plan. So that town planning authority will advertise in the newspaper that we are going for preparation of development plan of Baramati, like this. And they will start their work. They will survey the whole area. They will prepare existing land use map, and with analysis they will propose some infrastructural facilities in our area. So I will show you the development plan of Baramati of extended area. I have already shown you. You can see the color coding. नीट लक्षात ठेवा कलर्स. Okay. So green color shows that this land is under municipal council area, but this is reserved for agriculture as of now as a buffer zone. Afterwards, it will be converted into a residential zone. So you can see The yellow color indicates that this land is proposed for or opened for the development, so people can construct their houses by taking proper permissions. So if we see, this is Zolochi Road going towards the Lakdi or Canary temple. So this, on the both side, you can see that this area is opened up for the development, that is under residential zone. But at the same time, this much land is reserved as buffer zone. Afterwards, it will be converted into residential zone. But as of now, it will be difficult to provide the infrastructural facilities at the remote places. म्हणजे काय होईल की इथं जवळची आहे आणि इथं एवढ्या लांब परत सगळ्या फॅसिलिटीज प्रोव्हाइड करायचे, रस्ते वाढवणं वगैरे. तर पॉप्युलेशन डेन्सिटी इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर, की त्या पद्धतीने जसं शहर हळूहळू कंटिन्युअस एक्सपांड होत जातं, त्या पद्धतीने आपण फॅसिलिटी या देत जातो. त्या पद्धतीने शहराची हद्दवाढी केली जाते. अँड द प्लॅनिंग फॉर infrastructural facilities is done. So accordingly, you can see here, this is Nakshatra Garden corner, but this area, this is Pencil Chowk. This is हा पॉइंट कोणता सांगता येईल का? Here you will see CC. This is Gate of Biotech. Okay, so you will see our boys hostel, new building. This part is not included in our map because this is under MIDC area. So you can see here also. This is open space. Balodam, City Inn Hotel, City Inn Chowk. Here you can see the proposal is for widening of the road, 30-meter road. Then again, this is 30-meter road, 12-meter road around the Nakshatra Garden. So here also you can see the proposal of 30-meter road going towards the Zalochi. Inside, you will see there are some buildings constructed here. This is Tarangan Society. This is Mukti, I think. Nakshatra nahi. Mukti एक scheme आहे मुक्तीची काहीतरी. But all these 24 meters, the post office and telegram department office, these are the reservations at this place. So at this moment there is agricultural field. People are growing the crops at this place, but afterwards this will be acquired and this will be developed as per their planning. So here also you can see the yellow zone is proposed, here garden is proposed, but at the same time this area is reserved as a agricultural zone, no development zone at this moment. But here you can see the proposal was of constructing this 30-meter wide road, and you will see that this road is now constructed. But this 18-meter road near to Savli Anathashram is not yet constructed. The Ingole row house scheme is there at this place. Then again, at this corner you will see the girls hostel of social justice department is there. Then from that area towards the CBSE school, this was proposal to develop this road of 12-meter width, and that is now developed, you can see. So here Jizau Srishti or Jizau something project is there near to Rui, and this road is developed. So you can see planning and implementation of our planning. there are more maps with me. These are the Baramati. Then again, Washim District Development Plan report is also with me. We will see in our next lecture.